You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Assalamualaikum to all of you. My name is Laila. Good afternoon. Today my topic is my attitude is your behavior. So yes, of course, miss, on that time when you are doing something wrong and when I am coming here to tell you about your mistake, so that time you are thinking about that I have a wrong behavior to tell you, but miss, no. Yes, of course, if a person is doing wrong, so if I tell him something, so it is right, and if you are doing something wrong on that time, so on that time I will show my attitude on your part that which kind of work you are doing. So I will show my attitude on that part that which kind of work you are doing. So I will tell him by my attitude that yes, of course you are wrong. As like this, if you are having some kind of behavior, so that time I also have my attitude, and I don't use my attitude on the wrong way. For this, that my attitude is only to build myself. I don't show attitude when I have something good. I have something big things that I was very loving it, but no, my attitude is only when your behavior is on that time in front of me. Thank you, Rashwan. Okay, miss, first you said that your attitude is my behavior, and then after you said if you are wrong, so I will make you understand and I will do these, that I will try to make you understand. Your responsibility is not to make everybody understand, because everybody is mature, everybody is having a mindset that what is wrong and what is right. You don't have a right to teach somebody that yeah, you are a wrong path or you are a right path. And whatever you said about the attitude, whatever you said about the behavior, it is all about reflected by your own self. It is not about that every time if somebody is doing wrong, so you will also start to doing wrong with them. If somebody is saying bad to you, so on that time your work is to be silent and make them shut, and make them shut by your silency, because on that time your silency is worthy, because these people are not clever, these people are foolish, because they are showing their ill-manneredness in front of you. So on that time, if you will also make yourself like them, on that time I will say you definitely at this point now you are wrong, because yet you are giving them reply. On that time your silency should be there. Every time is not that you should to talk, you should to give them reply. Sometimes your silency is working more than your words. That's it. So miss, as you are saying me like this, that if you are saying me like this, that sometimes your silence is also good when a person is saying something wrong and like this. So miss, if I say you so in attitude, many attitudes are there. If I say that many attitudes are there, being quiet and this thing, this is all our attitude, that how much we know that yes, of course on this time we should be quiet and this time we should speak. So miss, I was giving you like this, that if a person is doing wrong, so I will show my attitude to make them right. So miss, as you are saying, as you were also saying like this, that if someone is doing wrong, so you should be silent, you should not leave them reply and like this. So miss, yes, of course I will be silent on that time when it's not my concern on it, but when it is my concern that they are speaking about me wrong, so I will have my attitude to show them that how much game if someone is saying about you and judging you, so you will have a voice to raise. And also I just don't raise my voice, I show my actions. That's why I am telling to you all, and this is all my actions. Thank you. That means yet you are having as much free time to give reply to everybody. Yet I am saying that yeah, every time to giving or to talk about, you are saying that yeah, if it concerned to me, so I will give them reply. So that means yet you are making them as much important. That's what their words are impacting on you. And definitely if they are talking about your development or your parents, so on that time you have to give them reply, because now they are talking about you. Now it's concerned to you, because if there would be somebody great man, he will not give them reply when somebody is talking about them, because they know that yeah, foolish will speak whatever they want to speak, but they will make them shut by their own words, by their own silence. They will not talk, they will not give reply like you. You said that yeah, if they will do bad, so I will also give them reply. They will not do like you, as you are saying that yeah, I will give them reply. they will shut them by their own silency, because on that time your silency will speak more than your words, because on that time your silency will make them shut, because now they will realize that she is not giving me reply. That means they will feel shame that yeah, I have done something wrong. On that time they will realize, and if you will be also included with them and you will also start to showing your bad action, so that would not be action, that would be your own negativity, that yet you are showing your own personality in front of them. Because if there would be a great man, he will not talk like you, as you are saying that yeah, I will give them reply. They will make them shut by their own silency, because they know we are at the right point. And if you are as much great, so why you will give your clarification in front of them? You knows yourself very well, and if somebody is speaking, it's not concerned to you that if somebody is talking about your personality, so let them speak. Because if I talk about the speak, everybody was not giving them a reply whatever people were speaking, because cowards will speak when you get success, but it is all about yourself, that how much you will make them silent, because you can also make them silent by your success, yet you are using your words. That's it. Samit, as you are saying me like this, that if you are saying me like this, that you are saying that I will speak that time when my concern is there, and you should speak on that time when your parents are between them in that concern. Samit, I think so you don't understand, because in my concern, in my personality, my parents is not coming, my parents' personality is not coming, that in my concern. What is the meaning of this? My parents are also coming in that, and then, so I would, yes, of course, talk on that time. I was saying about this, if there is my concern that they are, I'm saying like this, if there is my concern, they are talking about my something, or my relatives, or my parents, or my master, so yes, of course, I will raise my voice on that time. And you are saying like this, that sometimes silency, when you will be keeping silency in yourself, so he will get to know shame to himself. So yes, of course, I make silent that time when there is not my I will be silent. I will make silency that time when they will not talk about my well-wisher. If they will talk about my well-wisher, so yes, of course, I will raise my voice, because that time I don't be quiet, or that time I don't become quietness and this thing. I raise my voice for that thing. I don't say like this that I speak here, there. I was saying about my concern, my well-wishers and this type of thing. If they speak, so that time I will raise my voice. And yes, of course, now I am telling to you all also that what I am speaking, I am telling to you all that what I am speaking about. If you will talk about my well-wishers or this thing, that time I will raise my voice. Otherwise, I don't have a concern in your this and that one, that one you are talking about my friend and this thing. I have a concern that time when you will talk about my well-wishers who are developing me. Thank you, sir.